something. Just this. Madam.
Hey, Salufa.
I the perfume. I the good now. Just around they go. Wait for me.
How can I do it? Man, the shot chicken.
Confirm me say every go just dey dirty any. All this compound saying they clean and so they just dey dirty like this. They go to dirty be like say I dey for what bear my short.
Wait.
Waiting.
Why you take up for my chip? You carry out for my chip. I said I put up for here. In Ayeke, where you put it? Oh, you put up for inside you one now. You carry it and go and throw it. But give my chip.
So as you think rich. You dey tell me say na inside this dog you go carry your pass shishi.
You put up for here. You carry go outside. But the chip now.
Man.
But the chip now. I not want Wahala one life.
He rich.
My chip. I not want any.
Now that thing that be say you reason think say na dog.
I carry up for my chip. I put up for here. I don't know.
I don't blame you. I no shout.
I not want any Wahala one life.
See, if not say my papa, my pangolo chama, come make sure say people like that go dey stay for this kind place with people like you. Not they let me shout. Not they let me shout on my mouth. I'm a well brought up child. If not for change up for you.
Change up for what? Why you change up for why you change up for me?
Come make I warn you. Not be yes, not be left. We call young people like that supposed to. I go change up for you. You touch me, I'm gonna kill you. They warrior you. You disgrace. You almost never be Kenyan wish. I'm gonna vex. I'm gonna kill you. They warrior you. I'm gonna blame you now. Dirty people for comfort. You do dirty mouths. I don't want shots. Man, are you? Chairman, are you?
What? The kind tenant to my husband does. I just said, hey, Sarah, waiting this girl don't put for fire, leave her waiting she they do inside. Sarah, if I talk now, they go say your papa they Chris.
Mommy, I'm coming.
Go here, Jerry, come check only Bible you sabi.
Mommy, say when you to shout them.
Now me they talk to
Mommy.
like this. Take this thing from me. Nonsense.
I don't know what I'm going to do, Mommy. You know, like, it's not funny, it's not funny.
Close your eyes, Paul. Say nothing. Yeah, looking so beautiful. Like the morning sky now. Wait till you the cook now.
My mom pots.
You know, this food scenting so nice, like the raw supper. When DJ class the disciple was eating the beans porridge, baby, has a business transaction. You see this one, she's an honest.
What's your news?
If you put her inside the food.
Sarah, come fold cloth when you back since morning. Hey!
Mommy, ma. Okay, they come, let me, okay. Salt, there's no much salt. Now this is how we put salt first. You are the salt.
Jesus.
Say, did mommy come to carry this food from this fire? Mommy! Mommy! And she carries enough of the gas. Mommy!
What's happened?
Mommy, did you carry the food? Did you carry it? I know of the gas.
Wait, Mama first understand what's happened.
Mommy,
What's happen?
Mommy, why did you off the
Sarah,
gas?
I come inside like this.
Yes, mommy.
I go like this. Mommy. I call you. I say, Sarah, check my pot. I go inside like this.
Yes, ma'am.
I say, Sarah, check the food. Mommy, Sarah, where my pot? Hey!
That's why I say.
Hey! Sarah, where my pot?
Mommy, stop shouting like that. Mommy,
This compound go hear my voice, so Sarah, where my pot? Like this. Mama, like this. You are who take kitchen.
Mommy, is it
You are who take your head is touching like this.
What are we doing, my dear, my dear? I surrender you myself, myself. What is the reason you do not have your own peace of mind? Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh my goodness. I bought this for general purpose, but no. Touts that I live with. Here. Not be here I drop all my things. Gosh. Let it not be what I'm thinking. It can never be that tyrant. It can never be Rufus. No, I'm budgeting 300,000 on this boy's arrest. Hell! What? Sorry, excuse me. Do we have ghosts in this compound? I will be the weapon fashioned against all of you, and I must prosper. I swear to God, I must prosper in this compound. What is this nonsense? Who came into this kitchen? I resemble caricature for her face. Who be the person who come inside the kitchen? They look me for nonsense. I be waiting. I be the weapon where fashion against all of you for this compound, and I must prosper. I don't budget 300,000 to do police case. So now they craze for this compound. Why I thought they do rubbish? Anybody want another